Alright guys, let me make a breakdown on how the previous trade went yesterday. So yesterday we took a very nice trade. A very nice one. We took a wonderful trade. I can't lie. So yesterday we went for sales on AED USD in it was a very nice trade honestly. But obviously, in trading there is losses. There's not always wins. But the trade was a wonderful one, honestly. So I can't get mad at the market because the market's just doing what it does. So here's a trade I took yesterday, AED/USD. So, bro, this is straight here, man. Look at this. So I went for sales on AED/USD because let me explain the trade first. So you can see that the market was on a strong push to the upside, a very strong push to the upside. So first I was looking on getting buys. I was looking for buys first. Hold on, first show you the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that the market is like doing a higher highs retest, higher high retest. So indeed, yeah, the higher high did a retest, obviously. So I was first looking for buys, but then I saw this, the inverted hammer. I was like, bro, there could be a reversal. I was like, it could be anything. Maybe it's just like this one here. So I go to a 15-minute time frame. Then I spot this, like I spot this channel right here, like it's respected. So I can't count this candlestick here because this is liquidity grab, so I couldn't count that. I considered this level instead, this. So then I waited for the market to reach here, which it reached. Then it kind of started consolidating over there. Then I spotted the breakout. So after the breakout happened, that's when I was like, that means the market is gonna reverse and head down instead of going up. The retracement is finally happening. The full retracement is happening. But this could have been anything. It could have been liquidity. So obviously I couldn't have just entered right here. So I said, alright, I'm going to wait for a retest. So the market went down, did this, came back down. So this isn't really considered a retest. The retest must enter the zone where the market had this breakout. So this came down, then went all the way up. So after going all the way up, I consider this as the level of liquidity that it swept. Did you see this? Because the markets had not gone anywhere higher than that. Then boom, did that. So I was like, finally it swept liquidity. So then where my entry was, I go mention the 1 minute time frame. So here's a kind of reversal pattern I love, something like this. Like the market's going up, I look for a change of character. Now that's the change of character, because there you can see break of structure, change of character. Then that's now the rejection, the retest and rejection. So yeah, we had that pattern right over here, because you can see we were on an uptrend. The market was doing this kind of stuff. You see it? The small ones came up here, came here, did this, then headed down. So I made my entry at this area, and I can't lie, bro. I first saw some good profits. Bro, stuff went up by $40. It went up by 30, by 40. I was like, bro, I'm passing this account because my my TP was around $250 or $240 around there, because I reached about $120 on this trade, but I lost about 140 because of the spreads and stuff like that. But anyways, I mean, not the spreads, the commission. So yeah, this trade pushed down, then went all the way up, hit my stop loss. But deep down, I can't lie, what hurts me the most isn't losing the trade. It's like finding out that I was wrong. So me deep down, I was like, nah, bro, I couldn't have been wrong. Like, bro, I couldn't have been wrong. So I'm like, anyways, it is what it is. I was wrong about that. It's probably liquidity sweep or even a fake out. The market's going back up, maybe. After some time, because remember, I set an alarm right over here. So after some time, I receive a notification from TradingView. Oh, level crossed, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Open the trader. I see, bro, stuff hit my TP, bro. It hit my TP in less than an hour, moreover. Like after taking me out in less than an hour, it hit my TP. Because, bro, you think I'm joking? Look at this. Where's the trade? Exactly 1 hour. After taking me out the next hour, wow, hit my take profit. This is wild, bro. Like, look, right after taking me out, because this is a 5 minute time frame. After taking me out, the next 30 minutes was take profit. I could have passed the account in 30 minutes. Maybe it's alright. Days keep on going, so we shall find another trade. And this is day 2 of trading a challenge account. So I'm just going to try my best not to fail this trade. I'm just going to try my best not to fail it. So this trade here, oh my god. Yesterday we made $92. I mean, the day before yesterday we made $92. Then later on we lost $143 yesterday. So here's the thing. I've only lost $50 because $50 that okay, like most of the money I was trading, that I was risking, was from the profits we made the day before on the 6th. Then the $50 I lost is from the account balance, so it's fine. So I feel like today I'm going to probably risk $50 until I make a $100. Then I go back to risking 2%. So yeah, today I'm gonna risk 1%. Then I get back to risking 2% later on. Anyway, so guys, I'm just tuning in to keep watching, like tune in for more. But this was a very nice trade, bro. Like respected breakout retest and woof, just swept down. And here's the thing, bro. There was no way I was going to dodge this. Like there was no way I was dodging this. There was no way. Maybe like if I entered a little bit late, but like with stop loss being present, there is no way I would have dodged this. Cause bro, like when I went and checked on Twitter, like I have this habit, like whenever a trade is scaring me, I go and check on Twitter, I look up the trade, AUD/USD, and I see what other people are saying. So everyone was saying this trade is going to be on buys. But you definitely, bro, couldn't have been the wrong one. Because bro, only 1% is good at trading, so that means the rest of the people are shit. So what most of the people be saying is false. What less of the people are saying is what could be true, is what could be most likely of happening. Trading isn't for everyone, so everyone is on Twitter. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna find another trade. Honestly, right now I'm not seeing anything. Actually, let's go through trades and see if we can find any. Oh yeah, there's this one here. There's this one. I love this one here so much. So for this trade to hit TP, if I put this up here, it could take days. It could take days, honestly. But this is a 4-hour time frame. Let's see, 1 day, exactly 1 day. Then from here down to all the way up there. This took 5 days. You see what I mean? This one was 1 day. So I want to enter this trade. I just need a confirmation. So I want you to sweep liquidity, because if you look at the previous swings, this market was sweeping liquidity a couple of times. Right here, it swept the liquidity that was here. Hold on. Swept out all these guys here. Right here, it swept these guys, and here it swept these guys. Swept them. Then this other swing right here. All these swings are liquidity. Hold on. Yeah, I think for this one was, I think it was probably this. Swept out those guys. Then where else? But I just want the market to like kind of sweep liquidity. Because here we can look at the market when you see it structuring, you're like, alright, so the market reversed from here, went up, then came back down and took out that level. But here, it's not there at all. Like, what level did it take out? This one, at least you can say it took out this. Swept it. Here, what sweep did it make, bro? Like, if you want to say this is a retracement. This right here is a retracement. Anyways, let's just wait and see. I'll make the entry. So let's go to AUD/USD. This one the downtrend, so you can be looking for sales on this one. It's a very nice one also. Failure to break. Okay, kind of broke structure, but not in a proper way. See, broke structure, but not like in a proper way. Well, there's some other trade. There's some other trade I'd seen like last night. Yeah, also this one. Yeah, also this one. Yeah. So it's a nice one. You can look for buys in this. This is a sure that I'm going to give the updates. And this is an uptrend, so you should look for buys. Should look for buys in this. Then you saw this trade right here. You can see this thing. Let me show you. What is that thing? Higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. But now this part is scary because so as I was saying, high high, lower high, high high, lower high, high high, lower high. But now here's the issue. So this high high wasn't that long. Like that break of structure wasn't as long as this. So I feel like the market's going to go more than just right here. It's going to go more than just right here. It's going to go beyond this because that means the buyers are losing liquidity. So that means they're going to go and collect some liquidity. So the market could go low to like around this level before reversing. So yeah, if that doesn't work out, I think maybe there could be something like this. Maybe something like this. It's the confusing thing about trading high highs and lower highs, uptrends or downtrends. So sometimes you can see. Sometimes you. Let me show you. Sometimes you can see this. See that? So some people see it as this. Yeah. Some people be seeing this. And then some people be seeing this. So like I said, some people see that, some people see this. So I can't lie. The safest one is this right here, because if it's this, it's what is scary. Because look, sometimes the market can do something like this. That's something like that. So as an uptrend. So if you go on a lower time frame right here, you're definitely going to see something like a reversal. So then you enter right there, thinking that's where the market's going to stop, like reverse from. You put your TP up there, it takes you out, and then you think it's a breakout. As the market does the retest, obviously you're going to see something like right here again, and you think it's time to sell. You sell, you get taken out. That's the issue with that. So for this one, honestly, I'm scared, bro. Like, is it this or is this? Anyways, we shall find out. Depends on the reaction. So for them, I'm looking at it, I feel like it's the line. I feel like it's the line. Bro. So I think I'm going to buy in this one here. I feel like I'm gonna look for buys in this trade from here down to like somewhere up there. Let's set my stop loss around somewhere here like this. Let's look. Okay, yeah, this market has low spreads, so definitely I could buy. Definitely. I feel like I should risk 100 for this trade. I feel like I should risk 100. But I realize if I risk 100 on this trade and it goes wrong, I'm going to be left with about. Actually, no, I'll be left with exactly 150. Alright, yeah, I'll risk 100. I'm risking 100, bro. This trade is typical. This is a 1 to 2 risk to reward. What's 1 times? What's 100 times 250? 100 times 2.40. Okay, tip is going to be $240, so that means I'll be up by around $200.